For a man, undoubtedly, his mother and his wife are the two most important women in his life, and at the same time, he is the most important man in the lives of these two women. However, these two women have obvious differences in their attitudes towards the man. A simple and common example is enough to illustrate this difference. When summer arrived, Mike went to the supermarket and bought 2 ceiling fans, one for his own home and one for his mother. When he was installing the ceiling fan, Mike stood on a chair, but the height was still not enough, so he had to tiptoe and struggled to install the fan. Watching Mike sweating profusely, his wife handed him a towel and, at the same time, analyzed why installing the ceiling fan was so difficult, saying,
"You're too short."
Later, the same situation occurred at Mike's mother's house. His mother saw Mike tiptoeing and sweating while installing the ceiling fan, and she couldn't help but complain.
"This chair is too low."
No matter how ordinary a man is, his mother always provides him with satisfaction and appreciation, making him feel confident at all times. No matter how accomplished a man is, his wife always gives him dissatisfaction and motivation, keeping him driven at all times. For a man who hopes to continually progress on his life's journey, these two women are indispensable.